Hey guys, today, let's learn how to fix comments not showing up on YouTube Shorts. So in the case that one of those comments are basically not showing up on YouTube Shorts as soon as you view them, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix that issue, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to double check. I want to go ahead and launch the Threads application, but before we go ahead and do that, before we actually need to go ahead and check, of course, the contributing factors as to why we are experiencing this problem. And one of those factors is, of course, our internet connection. So go ahead and scroll down to your control centers, and I want you to double check your internet connection with your Wi-Fi and see if you are experiencing some issues with that. And if you are, I want you to go and just double check and see if your internet service provider is actually experiencing some issues. And if in the case, go ahead and try yourself data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is gonna work better for you. Last thing we could also do is to go ahead and launch the app stores. And I want you to go ahead and see if you have an update for the YouTube application. Now doing this, or updating your applications to the latest version will fix bugs like this, and will also give you the best user experience possible, and also more features as well. So if you do have an update available like this, go ahead and update your applications to the latest version, so that they said, got bugs like this would be fixed, and the best user experience is yet to come. Now once that is done, go ahead and launch the YouTube application. Go on over on your favorite YouTube shorts that you'd like to watch, and you should see the comments right here, ready for YouTube view. That is all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.